Hello guys, today we're climbing up the rock. It's Come on, it's awesome. It's awesome.
Cole, you come take this.
These rocks.
Take this. Maddie, this way.
And these. Go over here. Wow. And that's the boulder nose rock. These are the killing rocks. And there's 3 tunnels on each end. For you want in your side, and you could be an astronaut or anything. Mom, down. Oh, there. And Mom, right over. And we're leaving?
No, we're walking.
Oh. We're going around that way. Ooh, I'm so released. I'm so released. Oh. Hi. Okay, when I...
Push, you gotta jump and grab that edge and it will come back.
Go, Cole. Cole.
And the piece of your
Oh,
own
no.
duct tape.
Yeah.
Ah! It's on the rock.
I'm on top of the rock. It was so hard I died when not make it.
So you
In this, I might think it would be harder for them.
and a piece of your own duct tape.
Hey. Going. Just go ahead. I got it.
We're going. Where we're going?
You can play.
How you gonna get up there?
Your own duct tape.
Good job, Maddie, trying to find the handholds.
I don't know where there's a handhold.
It's right around here somewhere, I guess.
No way! Check this out!
Oh my god, guys! It's like somebody just did it.
Wow.
Wait, guys! Guys! Look at this!
Another one?
A millipede!
A
Look at
millipede.
you close.
Dad, watch out. There's a millipede.
Okay.
It's like-
Thanks for the warning.
It's just sitting.
All right, come on.
This is part of this trail that goes down. That might be the way back.
Oh, it's so nice.
That's where you're stepping.
It is so nice.
Hey, yeah.
There's no direction.
Whoa, that
Whale rock,
is
yeah. Cool, huh?
Like, guys, if there was like a thing, like a game, it would be like rock, side.
Be careful, Cole.
I gotta take our dog.
Run and then jump, Matt. Run and then jump. Run and then jump.
I can't, I got perfect.
Here, I'll take it.
Mom,
Oh, so our dog is so hard.
Run and then jump.
I did it. Cool, I got it. Guys, it is so cool. It is so cool. All you have to do is run and jump. Guys, I didn't think, well, if it's so hard.
Hey,
Here.
guys, I'm sweaty and I'm tired.
Guys, look, if it's hard, or if you have a baby brother or sister, look. you could just walk up here.
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys. It's like a hammock. It's like if you're tired, you can rest like. Guys, I'm gonna come down. This is how sometimes I just slide down rocks. I do that, and then sometimes I just like slide down. And guys, look, I'm gonna see if I can climb without running. Guys, guys, I did it! Whoa! That was kind of hard. Guys, I don't want to do this, but I'm gonna do a cartwheel.
What's on the other side?
Oh, it's a big. Oh, there's another wall. It's big. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I looked down there and I was like, I could do it, but I was like, no way, Jose.
All right, come on, Cole. Let's walk.
Mom, this is my favorite well.
Well, let's come back. Let's go see what else there is to see.
Yeah, let's go climb other rocks if we can.
Here, why don't you take the camera, Maddie, and you can walk and talk.
Okay, so I got the GoPro right here. You can see me. Guys, there's another wall. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna climb that because it's like just straight.
Watch your steps, sir.
Guys, I gotta run. But they're so fast. Well, this is easy. Just climb up or just run up. This video might be longer or short. Guys, where do you think we go? It's right there. Mom, where would you go? I don't know where we're gonna go. Let's see.
Right. Let's see what's going on.
Cole, other way. We're going to the right. Look at these, they're roots to big old trees. Okay, Cole, you want to hold the camera? Here. Don't be doing silly stuff. Hey. There was something on me.
Why is